Are you absolutely tired of waiting for your credit card statement to show up in the mail? Or maybe you're just struggling to access it online. Well, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're cracking the code on exactly how to quickly and easily request your Truist credit card statement online. It's going to save you so much time and, honestly, a lot of stress. Look, if you're frustrated by all that paper clutter on your kitchen counter, or you're just confused by digital banking portals, you are definitely not alone. But today, we're going to transform that pain into total empowerment. Let's get this sorted out and make managing those statements digitally a breeze. To make this super easy, we've built a straightforward 6-step roadmap. We'll cover going digital with Truist, accessing your account securely, downloading your statements, exporting and managing data, common troubleshooting tips, and finally, a quick conclusion and disclaimer. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Going digital with Truist. Setup and benefits. Let's start with the absolute basics of moving away from paper and setting up a solid digital foundation. Okay, so the benefits of accessing your statements online are actually pretty massive. Think about it. You get absolute convenience, way easier record keeping, and it's a huge win for the environment. Actually, going paperless can literally save whole trees over the lifetime of just one account. If you haven't set this up yet, creating your online profile takes just minutes at truist.com/enroll. From there, you just navigate to your account settings and manage your paperless preferences to opt in. Boom. Instant access to your digital records. Moving right along to step 2, accessing your account securely. Login and portal. Now that you're enrolled, let's talk about actually getting into the Truist portal safely, because protecting your financial data is always priority number 1. It turns out security is built directly into the Truist platform. Whether you're using the desktop site or the Truist mobile app, your data is locked behind some really robust security layers. Obviously, using a complex user ID and password is key, but what's really cool is that on the mobile app, you can actually enable Face ID or Touch ID for super quick biometric access. Plus, checking your sign-in history and seeing remembered devices just gives you that extra peace of mind that your account is totally locked down. Step 3, downloading your statements, navigating and saving. This is the core of the process, folks. Let's walk through the exact clicks you need to make to get that official PDF statement. All right, so once you've logged in, you'll see your main dashboard view. Select your specific credit card, and it'll take you right to the recent activity dashboard. You'll see all your recent transactions right there. But to dig into your official records, you'll want to look down toward the bottom left of that transaction window. See the prompt that says View All Activity? Go ahead and click right on that. Once you're in the Activity tab, you're going to spot your current balance and available credit sitting right at the top. Now look right below that available credit balance. You'll see a button labeled View Statements. Just click that. It's actually really straightforward, once you know exactly where to look, right? Next up, you'll be presented with a list of available months. Now, a really important thing to remember here is that Truist provides up to 24 months, that is a full 2 years, of digital statements for your credit cards. You can just scroll right through and pick the exact billing cycle you need to review. And you don't just have to view it in your browser. Right next to your desired month, you'll see a little download arrow icon. Go ahead and select that to save the official PDF securely directly to your computer or mobile device. Having this saved locally is absolutely fantastic for monitoring for fraudulent activity, submitting expense reports, or, just keeping a hard digital file for your personal budgeting. Step 4, exporting and managing data. Practical examples and CSV files. Because sometimes, especially for business administrators or anyone with a complex budget, a static PDF just isn't going to cut it. Let's extract that raw data. So if you want the raw data, instead of going to the Document Center, just stay right there on the Activity page. Check out the filter options for date range. A standard Truist credit card cycle usually closes on the 23rd. That means you'll want to set your start date to the 24th of the prior month and your end date to the 23rd of the current month. Then, and this is the absolute key, click the File Type dropdown, select Comma-Separated Values, or CSV, and hit Download. Now for the fun part, formatting. We all love a good spreadsheet session, right? When you open that downloaded CSV file in a program like Excel, you can clean it up by deleting any empty system formatting columns. Then, using your PDF statement as a visual reference, you just type the last 2 characters of the transaction reference number straight into the check/serial number column for each charge. This creates a pristine, auditable digital record. And here is the ultimate payoff for building this automated workflow. Once your CSV is nicely formatted, you simply highlight the data, copy it, and paste it directly into your company's expense input tab or your personal budgeting software. By pasting the raw numbers, you're letting the spreadsheet's built-in formulas do literally all the heavy lifting for you. It instantly pulls everything into your official charge card transaction log. We're taking a process that used to take hours and reducing it to mere seconds. How great is that? Step 5. Common troubleshooting tips, resolving issues. Because hey, technology is amazing, but it definitely isn't perfect. Let's look at a few common roadblocks and how to easily bypass them. First up, login issues. If you just forget your user ID or password, no worries, don't panic. Just use the standard automated reset links right there on the Truist login page. But here's a less common issue. What if you download a statement and the PDF itself requires a password to open? If that happens, check your Truist secure messages within the portal. They're going to provide you with the specific authorized format you need to unlock that sensitive document. Now, what if the statement you want just isn't showing up at all? Well, first, verify the retention limits. Like we mentioned earlier, credit card statements are only kept online for up to 2 years. If you need something older than 24 months, it simply won't be there. Second, make sure the statement cycle has actually officially closed. You can't download a finalized statement for a month that's still happening. And finally, if you're getting unexplained error messages, you always have backup. You can call Truist support directly at 844-4TRUIST. That's 844-487-8478. Step 6. Conclusion and disclaimer. Wrap up. By mapping out these exact clicks, you now have complete control over your financial records without ever waiting on the mail carrier again. A quick note though, this explainer is based on information accurate as of August 26, 2026. Banking interfaces and specific feature limitations can absolutely change over time, so please always verify details, limits, and steps with Truist Bank directly if you run into any unexpected variations. So, you've digitized this part of your life, which begs the question, how many other paper trails are secretly draining your time and energy every single month? Are you feeling empowered to take control of your finances today? If this explainer helped you master your Truist online statements, please hit that like button, drop a comment below with any additional questions, and make sure to subscribe for more structured, easy-to-follow visual guides. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you next time.